Good evening, sunshine, and welcome to the sunny side. Well, it's time for skincare part 2, the PM edition. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup. Some of this may not apply to you if you're not wearing makeup, but I like to start with my face halo. e.l.f. makes one of these too. It's basically just like these reusable makeup remover sponges. These are fabulous, and there's no reason to waste makeup wipes. So easy. Like Sunday morning. For the PM, I'm all about the double cleanse. So specifically because I wear makeup, I like to start with an oil-based cleanser. This is called BFD Cleansing Oil by 438 Beauty. Just do a little pump and a half of this. Rub it all over my hands. And then get my hands wet and do a quick lather before I rinse that off with warm water. Now I have the AM to PM gel cleanser, also from 438 Beauty. While my face is still moist, pat my face dry. And then anything that I missed around my eyes, I'm just gonna go back with that face halo and get that off. For PM toning, I use the Ordinary's glycolic acid. This stuff will make your skin sensitive to the sun. So make sure you're wearing an SPF every day, which you should do anyway, but especially when you're using something like glycolic acid. This is an alpha hydroxy toner, and the first couple times I used it, I was like, oh, I think this hurts, but it doesn't bother my skin at all now. So I don't know if that's kind of typical, but that was my experience. So once or twice a week, I definitely recommend exfoliating. I am not an expert, but I have heard from many different people that the abrasive exfoliants that use like texture are bad. They can cut and scratch your skin, whereas chemical exfoliants are the way to go. So I have the Clean Slate Powder Exfoliator from 438. There's so many different types of exfoliators out there. You don't want to exfoliate your skin with something like this every single day. It's just a little bit harsh. I keep a bottle of water in my getting ready station. So after I've toned, I just get my face dewy and ready for a few drops of hyaluronic acid. I use this AM and PM. We're just gonna wait a few minutes and let that dry. Okay, so now we've cleansed, we have toned, we have hydrated with hyaluronic acid. Now we're going to treat. So this is serum time. I have been using this Matrixyl 3000 Argireline Vitamin C. Big words. This is from Astorwood Naturals, and vitamin C is brightening. These other things are supposed to be nourishing, restorative, and anti-aging. I have definitely noticed since I started using this, like my forehead, it's not like my forehead expression lines are gone, of course, but there's just like a tightness perhaps that wasn't there before.
Nature's Botox, baby.
Let's just do a do, and then a little here. always read on things and see if they are going to be dangerous around your eyes. This says just not to put on your eyes, so I put it around. But next I have a retinol under eye cream. This stuff has done wonders for me, for sure. I like to use a retinol eye cream at night and then something with like caffeine and squalane in the PM to like wake it up. Did I say that backwards? In the AM. Now would be the time for any other serums. I'm just going to use that vitamin C serum and the retinol eye cream. And then the final step would be moisturizing. Lately, I've been using a tea tree mattifying lotion. I alternate between this and a variety of oils. My routine is a little all over the place. So this is just when you would moisturize with whatever moisturizer you see fit. And lastly, I'm just going to throw a few drops of squalane oil under my eyes on top of that retinol so we can moisturize as well as de-age. And that is that. Tomorrow morning I'll wake up looking stunning, and so will you.